Well, it's now about almost, that's about 8:45 here on the 21st of April. And I'm going to put a blind out here behind my house right now. Those toms are out there all day long for the most part. And we Scott and I set up on top this morning. So tomorrow I'm going to sit back behind the house here below and hope they come in. But I'm going to get the blind set up right now before tomorrow morning, because I got less to carry, and hopefully get in there nice and quiet. So I'll go get this done. is Sunday, April 22nd, 2018, and there's not much more to say other than that was awesome. I came in here last night, set this blind up, and because I knew it'd be tight quarters this morning, because I roosted literally 200 yards, if that, from the blind. And as you can see, all 5 of those toms came in. They were gobbling like crazy all morning. I never even called once. This was the one that attacked the decoy. He wasn't the biggest of the group, I know that, but he jumped on it, and I elected to take the shot. About being by myself, I didn't really want to take any chances with maybe losing footage or whatever, so I took the shot when I had the chance, and it worked out perfect. About 5:55 or so this morning, and that's the way it should work. Been watching these toms for all spring, and finally put the plan together to come in here this morning and put one down. So first season was a success, and hopefully it started to another great turkey season here in Wisconsin.